Lakefront living with exciting future views in boiling spring lakes. Experience the perfect blend of tranquility, convenience, and future potential in this charming lakefront home. Nestled on nearly half an acre with 216 feet of lake frontage, this single-level, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is designed for effortless living and accessibility. While the lakes are currently dry, an approved dam restoration project is set for completion in 2026, promising to bring back the natural beauty of North Lake and fully restore its waterfront charm. Imagine the future possibilities, launching your canoe or kayak right from your backyard and enjoying serene mornings by the water once the lake is revitalized. In the meantime, enjoy the peaceful, nature-filled surroundings and the many perks of this low-maintenance home, including a floored attic for extra storage and a huge workshop shed for hobbies or projects. Located in the serene community of Boiling Spring Lakes, you'll love the quiet, natural environment with preserved wildlife areas and a friendly residential feel. Yet, you're just minutes away from Southport's charming riverwalk, perfect for dining, shopping, and sunsets. The sandy shores of Oak Island, ideal for a beach day escape. The conveniences of Wilmington, and even the attractions of Myrtle Beach. This home is ready for your personal touch and offers a rare opportunity to invest in the future of Boiling Spring Lakes. Waterfront properties at this price won't last long. Schedule your showing today and secure your place in this revitalizing community.